For the last 2 lessons, we've dealt with revenue recognition, and we said it's important. In this lesson, we'll try to explain why. If you are a company's CEO, would you say you have higher or lower chances of keeping your job if the firm reports higher revenues? You will have higher chances, right? Higher revenues mean higher profits you can report to shareholders, a higher valuation multiple your company can claim in an M&A transaction, and a more profitable company has better chances of obtaining financing from a bank or from bondholders. It is more appealing for potential investors in an IPO. It seems more trustworthy to suppliers, and so on and so forth. Therefore, it is rather easy to conclude that a business with high revenues and high profits is less problematic for a CEO and for a company's management. It makes them appear more successful. This highlights how important a topic revenue recognition is. CEOs and company management could be easily tempted to recognize some of their revenue early. This is why the satisfaction of the 5 criteria introduced by the International Financial Reporting Standards becomes important. Only then companies should be allowed to recognize revenue in their P&L. Who oversees such adherence, though? Do we have some sort of guarantee that companies are reporting the right number of revenues in their financial reports? It is both internal and external auditors' task to perform frequent checks and keep an eye on how firms recognize revenue and make sure financial reporting standards have been respected in a consistent manner. Okay, great. In our next lesson, we'll talk about cost recognition. This will do for now. Thanks for watching.